We have the right hand there on the green track, the left hand on the pink track, and the bass pedals on the dark grey track. Now there are two ways we can get this into our Roland FA-06. One way we've already outlined, which is to save in our DAW as a MIDI file, put it on the flash card, put the flash card into the Roland FA-06, and then import the MIDI file into the sequencer. And if we use the MIDI type 1 save, then when we import it into the sequencer, we will get the channels back in the 3 MIDI tracks on the sequencer, same as in our DAW. If we use the type not MIDI file, we will get everything into one track in the DAW. So it's better to have the separate tracks, because then we can adjust the balance between the bass pedals and the left hand and the right hand, and we may even be able to do some spatial doubling. So we are going to use a different procedure to get this into our Roland FA-06 right now. We are going to hook the Roland onto the computer through the audio MIDI interface using a standard DIN cable, the 5-pin MIDI jacks, and we are going to record directly into the sequencer by using the MIDI sync capabilities to keep everything in perfect synchronization. And after we have done that, we should find this beautiful Widor's Tocatta down in the sequencer on our Roland FA-06, and the bars should line up perfectly. The notes and bars should line up perfectly. Okay, the first thing you will want to do is to press the sequencer button and execute a song clear to clear out whatever is in the sequencer. After you clear your song, you must make sure to set the time signature correct. Make sure the time signature matches your original piece. Then the next thing you will want to do is go in the system menu and set the sync to external. To do that, we go to System Setup, and we come down here where it says Master for sync mode, and we set it to Slave. Slave will work quite fine. In your DAW, you will want to go to the sync tab of your project, and you will want to enable transmit MIDI, start, stop, continue, and clock. And you can also click on the song position pointer. Next, you will come here on your lovely Roland FA-06 or FA-07 or FA-08, and you'll press the record button. And what you will want to do is to set it here so that you don't have any count-in measures. After you've set everything off, then you start your external song. You do not need to press start in the record screen. Once you start your external song and you have your sync set to slave, when operating in the slave mode, you will see 3 dashes on your tempo indicator, and everything is being controlled from your DAW. Now once the MIDI information has been recorded into your sequencer, you'll want to select some nice tones for the various tracks, and you'll want to mix them, the levels of them, and then you'll want to save the studio set. Notice it's right now on the FA-06 preview. We'll want to save the studio set, and we'll want to save the song. Okay guys, after choosing our tones and setting our levels in the mixer and saving the studio set and the song, we're now ready to hear it. The first time you heard this at the beginning of the video, it was playing from the computer through my Roland D110. This is how it sounds with the FA-06 voices. This is just the FA-06 now doing it. Listen for the bass now. Tocatta is an excellent piece of music to test your sound system. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.